Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today we are doing Hindi from Saral Bhasha textbook, Saral Bhasha Hindi grade 2. CBSE will be for grade 2, ICSE will this one you will get for 3rd standard. Okay, so let's start. We already finished the first lesson. This is lesson 2. Okay, take out your notebook, page number 10. Saral Bhasha notebook, page number 10. The chapter name is Lalchi Kutta. Lalchi Kutta. Lalchi means greedy. Greedy. Kutta means dog. Greedy dog. Okay. This story you know already. Right? When we were in UKG or 1st standard, that time we learned this story. The greedy dog. Right? Okay. That story only it's in Hindi here. पढ़िए और समझिए. Read and understand. शहरी शहरी. भीड़ भीड़. मूर्ख मूर्ख. रोटी रोटी. अचानक अचानक. लालची लालची. मुंह मुंह. परछाई परछाई. भौंकना भौंकना. So let's start children. लालची कुत्ता. First paragraph. एक शहरी कुत्ता था. There was one street dog. There was one city dog. एक दिन उसे रोटी का एक टुकड़ा मिला. One day he got a piece of chapati. रोटी means चपाती और रोटी. उसने रोटी के टुकड़े को अपने मुंह में दबा लिया. So whenever the animals, no children, they will get any food, no, they will keep it in their mouth. They will grab it. Okay, and they will keep it in their mouth and they will just look for a good place and they will start eating there. Okay. So daba liya means he just grabbed that chapati, that roti piece, chapati piece. अब वहां ऐसी जगह ढूंढने लगा जहां आराम से बैठकर वहां उस टुकड़े को खा सके. Now he is searching for a good peace place where he can sit आराम से and peacefully he can finish that chapati, the piece of roti. Okay. I'll read once again. एक शहरी कुत्ता था. एक दिन उसे रोटी का एक टुकड़ा मिला. उसने रोटी के टुकड़े को अपने मुंह में दबा लिया. अब वहां ऐसी जगह ढूंढने लगा जहां आराम से बैठकर वहां उस टुकड़े को खा सके. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट. चलते चलते शहर की भीड़ से दूर वहां एक नदी के किनारे जा पहुंचा. So he was walking and he just reached near to the river. Nadi means river. Okay. Kinare means the shore of the river, the boundary of the river. वहां जाकर जैसे ही उसने रोटी का टुकड़ा खाना शुरू किया तभी अचानक उसे नदी में अपनी परछाई दिखाई दी. He was about to start. He reached one place that is near to the river. And he about to start to eat that chapati. But what happened? Suddenly, उसे नदी में अपनी परछाई दिखाई दी. He saw his reflection in that river. In that river, water will be there, right? Obviously, whenever you will do something, if any water place, but water surface, obviously you can see your reflection over there, right? So the same thing happened to this dog also. उस मूर्ख व लालची कुत्ते ने अपनी परछाई को दूसरा कुत्ता समझ लिया. So this fool, मूर्ख means fool, लालची means greedy. So this fool, greedy dog, what he thought? He thought one more dog is there. One more dog is there inside the river. Okay, because he can see the reflection, no? So he thought one more dog is there. Okay, so you can look over here picture. It's a dog. This is a roti ka tukda, means piece of roti, right? City, shahari means city dog. Okay children. Next. Page number 11. Page number 11. उसे लगा दूसरे कुत्ते के पास भी रोटी का एक टुकड़ा है. He is thinking that another dog also has the piece of chapati. Another dog also have that roti. उसने सोचा, he started thinking, काश यह टुकड़ा भी मुझे मिल जाए. So that greedy, that fool dog is thinking, maybe that piece also could be mine. That piece also, I have like 2 chapati pieces, like that. The greedy dog. इसी लालच में वहां अपनी ही परछाई पर गुर्रने लगा. So he started barking, he started making a sound, he started making a sound to that reflection. फिर उस पर भौंकने के लिए जैसे ही उसने अपना मुंह खोला, रोटी का टुकड़ा नदी में गिर गया. He about to start barking. That obviously when the dog will bark, obviously he should open his mouth, right? When he about to start barking, when he opened his mouth, that time the roti ka tukda, the piece of chapati has fallen in the water, that river. लालच के कारण उसने अपनी रोटी का टुकड़ा भी खो दिया. Because of greediness, he has lost his chapati also. He has lost his roti also. Correct, no children? See here. Can you see? He has seen the reflection. See. Okay, when he started barking, just see. Okay, the chapati is here now. Clear? So what will be the moral of the story? हमें यहाँ से शिक्षा क्या मिलती है? See, example. Morning, you love dosa so much. Okay, I'll just give an example. You love dosa. So what happened? Your mama is preparing dosa, but your stomach will fulfill with the 2 dosas only. But what you will think? Oh, mama again afterwards she will not prepare hot dosa. So let me eat 1 more dosa, 3 dosa. So you will eat, but after that what will happen? Your stomach will pain, right? So the digestion problem will occur. Correct, no children? So that's why that greediness should not be good for anyone. Okay, so that's what they are telling. Shiksha means moral. What we had the moral of the story, what we learned from this story. इस कहानी से हमें सीख मिलती है कि लालच बुरी बला है. So in this story we'll get to know the greediness is not good at all for anyone, not only for the children, not only for the people, for everyone. But this dog has a greedy. That's why he learnt a lesson. Correct, no? Next. शिक्षण संकेत. शिक्षक बच्चों को अन्य कहानियों के द्वारा समझाए कि लालच करना बुरी बात है. So the teacher has to read some more stories where the greedy we can learn, and they have to tell. अतः हमें लालच नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not be greedy at all. Okay? शब्दार्थ, word meaning. शहरी, शहर में रहने वाला. Urban means city. किनारा, चोर. Edge means edge of the river. भौंकना, कुत्ते की आवाज. Bark. सीख, शिक्षा, moral. Clear? Okay, now turn your page number 12. Okay, अभ्यास, एक्सरसाइज, मौखिक, ओरल क्वेश्चंस. सोचिए और बताइए. थिंक एंड टेल. शहरी कुत्ते को क्या मिला? What the urban dog got? What the city dog got? रोटी का एक टुकड़ा मिला. शहरी कुत्ते को एक रोटी का टुकड़ा मिला. So he got a piece of chapati. इस कहानी से हमें क्या सीख मिलती है? What we learned from this story? लालच बुरी बला है. So the greediness is very bad. We should not be greedy at all. Next children, लिखित, written. सही उत्तर पर सही टिक का निशान लगाइए. So tick the correct option. First one. क. चलते चलते कुत्ता कहाँ जा पहुंचा? नदी के किनारे. So while walking, where he reached near to the river. Second one. कुत्ते ने नदी के पानी में क्या देखा? What he saw in the river water? अपनी परछाई, his reflection. कुत्ता कैसा था? How was the dog? कुत्ता लालची था, means greedy. The dog was greedy. लालच के कारण कुत्ते ने क्या खो दिया? Because of greediness, what he lost? What the dog lost? The dog lost his roti. Right? Roti means chapati. Next. चित्र देखकर उनके नाम को पूरा कीजिए. You have to look into the picture and you have to complete the word. Look at a picture and complete their names. This is dog. Dog will say in Hindi kutta. Kh. This is chapati. Roti. Will say roti. Okay. Next page number 13. And this one nadi. River. Nadi. This is ghar. House. This is घर house. सही वाक्य पर टिक और गलत वाक्य पर ये चिन्ह निशान लगाइए. Means if it is correct you have to tick, if it is wrong cross. शहरी कुत्ते को रोटी का एक टुकड़ा मिला. The urban dog, the city dog got one piece of chapati. That is correct. Right? That is correct. कुत्ता चलते चलते एक जंगल में पहुंच गया. While walking, the dog reached to the jungle. Jungle means forest. That is wrong, right? He reached to near to the river. कुत्ते को नदी किनारे एक बकरी दिखाई दी. When he saw near to the river one goat. Bakri means goat. But he didn't saw any goat, right? So that is wrong. कुत्ता पानी में अपनी ही परछाई देखकर भौंकने लगा. So कुत्ता पानी में when he saw his reflection he started barking. No, right? First he started gurrana, right? First he started making sound, then he did bhonkna. Correct? Bhonkna means barking. This one teacher can tell correct also or wrong also, maybe both. Okay, just to think, it's depend on how you are thinking. Okay. अपने लालच के कारण कुत्ते ने अपनी रोटी का टुकड़ा भी खो दिया. Because of dog's greediness he lost his piece of roti. That is correct. Next, knowledge of grammar, that is most important, children. Knowledge of grammar is most important in all the languages. व्याकरण ज्ञान, knowledge of grammar. दिए गए शब्दों को पढ़िए. शहरी, ग्रामीण, दूर, पास. ग्रामीण व पास शब्द शहरी व दूर शब्द का उल्टा अर्थ दे रहे हैं. शब्द को उल्टा अर्थ देने वाले शब्द उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द कहलाते हैं. सो शहरी मीन्स सिटी, ग्रामीण मीन्स विलेज. Okay, so these are opposites, right? So what they are telling, so these type of words will called as a उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द. Means you can tell as a विलोम शब्द, antonyms. Okay, उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द छांट कर लिखिए. उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द छांट कर लिखिए. उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द मीन्स विलोम शब्द, मीन्स एंटोनिम्स, अपोजिट्स. शहर, गांव. शहर, गांव. शहर मीन्स सिटी, गांव मीन्स विलेज. आगे, पीछे. आगे मीन्स फ्रंट, पीछे मीन्स बैक. Turn the page. Already they have given their options, children. You can see over there. मूर्ख, समझदार. मूर्ख means fool, समझदार means clever. एक, अनेक. एक means one, अनेक means more. More than one means we'll call it as अनेक. अपना, पराया. अपना means ours, पराया means others. बड़ी, छोटी. बड़ी means big, छोटी means small. बुरा, अच्छा. बुरा means bad, अच्छा means good. काला, सफेद. काला means black, सफेद means white. Next, सही जगह पर बिंदु या चंद्र बिंदु लगाकर लिखिए. Still some children don't know the difference, children. You have to learn so many words, then only you'll get to know the difference between bindu and chandra bindu. Okay? Put bindu or chandra bindu in the correct place on the words. So the words are normal. They did not put any bindu or chandra bindu. You have to read and you have to check. Muh. This is muh. Muh. Paratu. Parantu. Adar. Andar. Muh means face. Parantu means because, but. Andar means inside. Bhaukane. It's bhaukane. Bhaukane means barking. Pahucha. It's pahucha. Means reached. Dhoodne. It's dhoondne. Dhoondne means searching. And one more thing is here, good children. So they have the summary. Okay, they have given the summary in all the lesson, in all the poems or chapters. Okay, you read about this. Okay, that is very good. It will help you in writing question answers also. Okay, that's it, children. Okay, again we'll meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Kindly share these videos to maximum parents. Okay, thank you so much, children. Bye bye. See you in the next video. This is Sanvi Naveen channel only for Kannada and Hindi. Thank you so much. Bye bye.